Hi, welcome to Regen Network. We're glad you're here to learn more about Regen Registry and what it takes to develop ecocredits. First, I'll share about our structure. Regen Registry includes Regen Marketplace, Regen Ledger, and Regen Registry Guide. Regen Marketplace is an online storefront for creating, bundling, and selling ecocredits. It operates in the voluntary carbon and ecosystem services market. Ecocredits are ecological claims of measured carbon sequestration and other monitored ecosystem change, like water quality or biodiversity. The Regen Ledger is the backbone of the marketplace and Regen Registry Guide. It is a public proof-of-stake blockchain that enables decentralized, transparent, and immutable transactions of ecocredits and their associated verified data. The Regen Registry Guide describes pathways for the creation and development of methodologies that verify ecocredits based on nature-based solutions. These claims are anchored on Regen Ledger. Regen Network is community governed by Regen governance token holders, meaning the community guides how the network functions, such as setting standards for developing projects or determining peer review processes. In all, we are the pathways, verification platform, and marketplace for generating ecocredits. Now that you know about our structure, what sets us apart? First, accessibility. Historically, access to ecosystem service registries has only been available to large-scale enterprises, largely because the process required to monitor and validate nature-based solutions are prohibitively expensive for Earth stewards, particularly smallholders. Regen Registry works to lower the barrier to entry for projects to develop ecocredits with more approachable processes, less costly onboarding, and community-driven and governance functionality like credit class approval by governance vote. We believe in open source, non-prescriptive external methodology development, and MRV, to make ecocredit creation process more accessible. Ecocredits and Carbon Plus. We believe sequestering carbon is critical. It is the backbone of the majority of ecocredits. We work to scale the production of carbon-based credits to encourage nature-based solutions and a regenerative future. We also believe sequestered carbon is often only one dimension to ecological and social health, consistent with the tracking of Sustainable Development Goals. We support a wider breadth of regenerative practices and outcomes through ecocredit methodologies, ranging from carbon plus to non-carbon-based methodologies and co-benefits, such as biodiversity, water quality, and social welfare. We create opportunities for these additional benefits to be recognized, scaled, and valued in our marketplace. Lastly, community governed. Regen Network has set out to create the first decentralized registry program, owned and operated by a community of experts and Earth stewards committed to ecological regeneration. This community of token holders will uphold the integrity and evolution of our system and be informed by those disproportionately impacted by the climate crisis. But what happens from here? Perhaps you are an Earth steward managing a landscape, a project developer working with Earth stewards, a methodology developer interested in developing new scientific methodologies and credit classes. Here are some initial steps. If you are looking to develop a project with us, the first step is to make sure Regen Registry is a fit. Is your project a nature-based solution? And is this solution regenerative to an ecosystem? We use the IUCN definition for nature-based solution, which you can see more on our homepage. Can data around your solution be measured, monitored, and validated? This is the centerpiece of an ecocredit. If the fit looks right, next you can view our methodology library to see if an approved methodology and credit class fits your use case. A methodology is a set of methods for how ecological outcomes are monitored and measured, tracking soil organic carbon in cropping systems or biodiversity changes in a rainforest. A credit class outlines the eligibility, procedures, and requirements related to a certain credit type. If there is not a relevant approved methodology available in the methodology library, you can review our Built on Regen gallery to browse in-development methodologies and other projects. You can see if others are working on one that might be of interest. This can also help you better understand what it takes to develop a new methodology. You can also review our Regen Registry guide to see the steps for developing a methodology and credit class. Finally, visit our Regen Registry homepage for more information and to explore available opportunities with us in our community spaces. You're ready to build with Regen Registry. Here's a brief overview of current available pathways. First, you would select a methodology. If a methodology and credit class do not exist in our library, you can develop and submit a new one for your use case. For example, I am interested in developing a new methodology for regenerative cotton practices. Second, you will need a credit class for the methodology. Credit classes outline the specific compliance, eligibility, and life cycles for a project on Regen Registry. Every methodology is associated with a credit class. For example, this is where and how this methodology for regenerative cotton practices can be applied. Sometimes there's a one-to-one relationship with a methodology and credit class, and other times a credit class may have several methodologies that comply with its standards. Third, you have a Regen Registry approved methodology and credit class. You're ready to develop a project on Regen Registry. This process includes a project plan, which is the document that states details about the project, signing necessary contracts with Regen Registry, and developing a project page on our website. Lastly, credit issuance. It's the process of creating a unit or credit, for example, 1 ton of carbon equals 1 credit, that is issued on Regen Ledger. From your initial project idea to credit issuance, Regen Registry Guide offers the processes and support for the creation of ecocredits anchored to Regen Ledger. Explore more on Regen Registry homepage. Find us on Discord and Twitter at Regen Network. Thanks so much.